On the Health Watch tonight, California's 9th whooping cough death has been reported, and state health officials say the epidemic is on track to break the state's 55-year record. Action News reporter May Chow is live in Salinas with the latest.
Well, Aaron, here in Monterey County, there have been 78 cases of whooping cough so far this year. The majority of those being in young children. 10 needed to be hospitalized and 4 were admitted to the ICU. So far, there have been no deaths reported, but the Monterey County Health Department says pertussis or whooping cough in infants can be deadly, and the way to protect your child is to immunize him or her. The 5-dose series of vaccination starts at 2 months of age, but the baby is not immune until the 3rd dose is given when the child is 6 months old.
Everybody, especially those in the ring around an infant, needs to be vaccinated. That infant, until they get at least 3 doses of vaccine in them, they're very susceptible to what the big people bring to the environment.
The Monterey County Health Department offers free or low-cost vaccinations at walk-in clinics Monday through Friday from 8 to 11 a.m. and 1 to 3 p.m. at the Alisal Health Center in Salinas and the Seaside Family Health Center on Fremont Boulevard. And as a reminder to parents, the immunity from the 5-dose series of vaccinations given to your baby does wear off when your child reaches their early teen years. So health experts say young children and adults should get a booster shot known as a Tdap, and that covers tetanus, diphtheria, and pertussis or whooping cough. Aaron?
All right, thank you, May. For more information on whooping cough symptoms, how you can protect yourself and your children, as well as a list of vaccination clinics, you just click on the Health tab on our website, kspw.com.